Thinking about breeding from your dog, but unsure where to start? Dog breeding is an involved, albeit rewarding, process, and any animal lover will feel a huge responsibility for their dog's well-being. Estrus, or heat, are the times when your female, bitch, dog is receptive to mating. A number of things happen to your dog during this period. For instance, estrogen levels spike before dipping, mature eggs are released from her ovaries, and her behavior may change. Your bitch might also be nervier, and don't be surprised if she starts presenting her rear end to male dogs as they pass. She'll also bleed, and urinate more often.